Number one, do the proper hand washing. Number two, gather all the materials. The materials are a clean diaper, petroleum jelly or rash cream, wet cotton balls, baby wipes or tissue, clean cloth, the dress of the baby, and plastic trash bin. Next, get the baby and then put it in the diaper changing area. Next, unfasten the tabs of the dirty diaper and fold them over. Next, pull down the front of the dirty diaper, and then if your baby is a boy, you might want to cover his when he's using a clean cloth or another diaper so he does not pee on either of you. And then next, if there's a poop in the diaper, use the front half of the diaper to wipe the bulk of it off your baby's bottom. Next, fold the dirty diaper in half under your baby and the clean side up. To do this, you need to lift your baby's bottom off the table by grasping both ankles with one hand and gently lifting upwards. Next, clean your baby's front using damp baby wipes or clean cloth or gauze. If your baby is a girl, wipe from the front to back down towards her bottom. And this helps prevent the bacteria to cause an infection. And be sure to clean the creases of your baby's thighs and her buttocks too. Next, let the baby's skin air dry for a few moments or use a clean cloth to pat dry. And then, to help prevent a diaper rash, you might want to use a rash cream or a petroleum jelly on her creases and the buttocks. Next, remove the dirty diaper and wrap it in a plastic. Next, open up a new clean diaper and place the back half. The back half with the tabs on either side. And the top of the back half should be up to your baby's waist. And then pull the front half up to your baby's tummy. And if your baby is a boy, you might position the penis down so he's less likely to be over the top of the diaper. And then if your baby is a newborn, avoid covering the umbilical cord stump until it's dried or falling off. Next, fasten the make sure that the diapers the part of the diaper between your baby's legs, this area, is spread as wide as seems comfortable. Too much bunching in this area can cause chafing or discomfort. Next, fasten the diaper on both sides with the tabs. And the diaper should be snug but not so tight as it pinches. And then make sure that the tabs aren't sticking to your baby's skin. And next, dress your baby and place her into a safe place, like on the floor with a toy or in her crib, while you clean the diaper changing area. out the dirty diaper and close it with the tabs and place it in the trash bin or in a diaper pail. And then in the diaper. Next, do the proper hand washing and documentation.